Here we are at Huish level crossing in Somerset with Joe in the level crossing channel. It did the person going down. Time now is 19:08 on Wednesday the 27th of June 2018, and this is for your 1852 expected 1910 to Yankee 28 Great Western Railway service from Filton Abbeywood to Weston-super-Mare. I can see the barrier. Did you hear the alarms when the barriers are coming down? It went
off and went back on.
Yeah, like the person. Do you reckon I could actually get this to the floor? Yeah,
you just did. No, you could jump over that as well.
I wouldn't try.
No, I'm not going to try it.
That light's got a bit of green tape on it. There's two crossings in Somerset called Huish. The one down near what do you call it, Crew Kern, AHB, and this one's also called Huish as well. But I looked on Nathan's map, and it's Huish. So in order to not be confusing, because nothing else I can call it other than that, because I don't want to, because I can't say Huish twice, I'm calling it Huish, Huish. Just to show you. Right. Here it is on the map. Somerset flag. Huish level crossing North Somerset. Huish, MCB CCTV, postcode, and then in Somerset. So that's what I'm calling it. This barrier is very high off the floor. It's like being back in Wales filming all these building grand barriers. There it is. One 166-204. 166-204 to Weston-super-Mare.